Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with this tool. I don't know, probably it's kind of a catalyst, even though that it's not, you know, like this silicone one, it's just a plastic one. I think that I got this from PBO, and it has two different things, and I will play with that. At first I was thinking that I will do a feather pour, but then I changed my mind and I will just play with paint a little bit, kind of a freestyle. I will just tilt my white evenly on the canvas to cover it. I didn't complicate with color scheme today or backgrounds, so I have just a titanium white for a background, and I have Permanent Violet, Vallejo, DecoArt Extreme Sheen Aqua, Amsterdam Greenish Blue, and DecoArt 24K Gold. So, pop my air bubbles, and I will just layer some paint right there. Freestyle today, just playing with this catalyst thing a little bit. Okay, let's add aqua and greenish blue. Obviously I will try to do kind of a minimalistic thing, and some 24K gold. I will just drizzle some white maybe, and a little more purple. Okay. And I'm not sure if I will tilt this or just, and I will basically try just to go from here down, and probably I will tilt it. I didn't mean to do it like that, but now it is what it is. So let's go a little to this side and then tilt this and see what will happen. Let's play. I will pour some white here and down here. And some violet here. So this will be definitely an experiment, but what will happen, we don't know. Maybe you will be mad at me that I should leave it. I will tilt it a little bit at first. I will leave it like it is. I just have to turn it that way because I like it this way. What a mess I made today. Okay, this can work. So here is a close-up. And after all, I have to say that I really like it. Those effects here where the lines go into the white are just amazing. And I definitely got an idea how I want to try that again, but a little different. And those lines with the catalyst are just amazing here. Love it. So after all, I end up with something that I like, even though that it didn't look like it, but and I like it. Oh, sorry. And this orientation too. I just think that I will add a little purple here to match this part and blow. So like it this way too, I think. And ooh, this way too. So kind of cool painting after all, with some really nice details. So this was a playing day with my art studio with Fiona Art. Again, tomorrow no live because I have some personal things, but we will see you on the next one. Bye!